Tom, tax season's quickly approaching and it could be tougher than usual. What you need to look out for is the fact that the IRS, tiny violins prepared here, they're looking at some trouble this season, blaming staff shortages and a huge backlog from back during the pandemic. And then there's the child tax credit payments that millions of Americans received last year. They could pose a challenge for parents. Lauren Tallarico explains why some experts say they should hold off on filing right away.
Why should you wait to file your taxes this year if you receive the child tax credit? Many families had the option of getting those checks last year. The child tax credit is normally calculated when you do your taxes, but to help families during the pandemic, Congress increased the credit and gave families the option of getting half of it in advance. This was done in monthly payments delivered between July and December. Now the IRS is sending special statements to the millions who got that check. Remember how I said families got half of the child tax credit in monthly checks? Well, to get the other half, you'll need that letter. You'll need to enter the information on your federal tax return to reconcile the amounts. Married couples should expect to receive 2 separate letters. If you don't get one, you can go to the IRS Child Tax Credit website and check your information online. The IRS is also sending a letter about the third round of stimulus checks sent out starting in March of last year. Most people should already have received their payments, but if you didn't or you got less than you were supposed to, that letter from the IRS will help you claim that money on your 2021 tax return. With The Why, I'm Lauren Tallarico.
And whatever you decide to do, there are a few dates to keep in mind. The tax season kicks off January 24th and the deadline is April 18th.